Google is rolling out its generative AI tool Bard's most capable model yet. Bard now integrates with Google Apps and Services for more helpful responses. Google also improved the Google It feature to double-check Bard's answers and expanded features to more places. With the extensions, Bard can find and show you relevant information from the Google tools you use every day, like Gmail, Docs, Drive, Google Maps, YouTube, and Google Flights and Hotels, even when the information you need is across multiple apps and services. For example, if you are planning a trip to the Grand Canyon, a project that takes up many tabs, you can now ask Bard to grab the dates that work for everyone from Gmail, look up real-time flight and hotel information, see Google Maps directions to the airport, and even watch YouTube videos of things to do there, all within one conversation. And you can use Bard's Google It button to more easily double-check its answers. When you click on the G icon, Bard will read the response and evaluate whether there is content across the web to substantiate it. When a statement can be evaluated, you can click the highlighted phrases and learn more about supporting or contradicting information found by search.